AI sentience. How could we evaluate it? Theory of mind. If I am tired and there is a bed in the room, you would assume that I would lay down for a nap. This is theory of mind at work. It refers to the ability to ascribe mental states to the self and others, and subsequently make sense of or predict their behavior as consequences of said mental states. Essentially, the possession of theory of mind requires that an individual understands he has a mind of his own. Self-awareness. There is still debate over the exact meaning of this concept. However, most experts would now agree that there are two distinct versions that warrant consideration. 1. Internal self-awareness. The degree to which we are conscious of our innermost preferences, desires, and thoughts, whether they are physical or mental. And 2. External self-awareness. The degree to which we are conscious of how others view us in relation to how we view ourselves. Goal-oriented behavior. Goal-oriented behavior is what drives all life on Earth. Whether organisms are psychologically complex does not influence their evolutionary imperative to survive. As such, all the behavioral functions that are selected for throughout a species are meant to optimize fitness. Therefore, goal-oriented behavior in and of itself would not be enough to justify the presence of sentience. We would need to observe behavior that reflected a need for self-preservation in conjunction with a conscious concern and awareness of this need. The communication of preferences and inner desires. The communication of preferences and inner desires is a uniquely human quality, precisely because there exist no other forms of biological life that possesses linguistic abilities akin to their own. We can, through the use of language, explain and make sense of our subjective experiences as they relate to the external world. We can create qualitative representations of our own existence and build meaningful relationships with others based on shared commonalities. Most importantly, we can convey our emotions and feelings about the world descriptively.